Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to delete messages on Facebook Messenger for Android. Whether you want to remove a single message or an entire conversation, I've got you covered. Let's jump in. All right, first thing, open the Facebook Messenger app on your Android phone. You'll see all your conversations on the home screen. Now, if you want to delete an entire conversation, just long press on any chat. You'll see multiple options such as pin, archive, ignore, and so on. The one that we need to tap on is delete, and it'll permanently remove the entire conversation with all messages. If you just want to hide it temporarily, tap archive instead. But here's the thing. If you only want to delete a specific message, tap on the conversation to open it. Find the message you want to remove and tap and hold on it until a menu pops up. Okay, now tap unsend or delete. If it's a message you sent, you'll see delete for everyone. This removes the message from both your side and the other person's side. Tap delete for everyone and confirm it. The message will disappear completely, and it'll show you deleted a message in the chat. If it's a message someone sent to you, you can tap and hold on the text, a menu will appear, tap on More, and tap on Delete, and then tap on Delete again to confirm it. Keep in mind this only removes it from your device. The other person will still see it on their end. And that's it. Super easy way to clean up your Messenger conversations. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.